Hey everyone, as I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, I grow a lot of palms using the baggie method, and the Butea odorata or jelly palm, or some people refer to these as a Pindo palm, is one that I found works extremely well. So a little bit of the different way that I do it, I grow them, I put the seeds in orchid moss, no soil, just pure orchid moss. I also like to keep them outside. These particular seeds like a lot of heat to successfully germinate. I also do not crack the exterior parts of the seeds, which some people have found that helps. I found that it really doesn't seem to have a big impact on the germination rates of it. So this has been about 2 weeks since I've last shot a video, and this has been sitting outside here in Central Texas in our patio in our gardens, and it's been on average 100 degrees Fahrenheit or above on most days. In the evenings it will drop down probably into the high 80s, but generally it's very, very warm, which is an ideal situation for this type of palm to germinate. So as you can see in this bag, it's been about 2 weeks and it is literally just exploding with seeds germinating. So these are jelly palms that have just gone crazy and germinated inside this orchid moss. So I'll open it up, just give you a little bit of view. You can kind of see just how many we're talking about in there. There's probably, this bag probably had several hundred seeds I just threw in there, and you can see they are just coming out like crazy. I'll grab one to show you. There you go. It's a good example of one jelly palm. You can see the seed there. Generally, sometimes you'll get there are multiple seeds inside there, and so sometimes you'll get a couple of seeds or little seedlings that will germinate from. In this case, it's just a single, but that's a jelly palm or Pindo palm seedling that will pot up and get going. So again, very, very easy to grow from using the baggie method. Pindo palm.